Just in general? Sorry to hear that incorrect opinion.
All these peanut butter is just so disgusting. It's like, I'm getting irked just thinking about it.
You just went down on my tier list of favorite butter burgers.
Aww! Nobody else up there in the first place.
Are the other three in the bathroom?
Lily said she was going to pee herself, so she was going. My dad announced that he was going to the next house, and they're all going to watch the game, and I was like, that's serious.
We are locked in at least.
I promise, it's not like serious.
One of them will be 2 and 1 and the other will be 2
We won all in 2 sets. Skyline's always so good. That's so sad. I was so excited, and now I'm like,
They have to go up on a piece of this.
okay, I was like, I saw her and she kind of threw me off the beginning, but like, I was they're underwater, I was so, she went like that. She didn't play at all the second game. Well, she didn't play the second set of this second game. Here, right into my leg on your left. Oh, you're so good.
I love how you said that like you did it.
Now you have to jump into it. I was like visiting down my bathroom because I have to get out of my without changing my
Number 4 and number 5 overall teams from both countries. One from Arizona, the USA Paul. He's now one of the other. I want the teams that are already qualified to come in. Remember, their B seed is the 20th. at the Nebraska Elite Facility. That's what the
That
called.
was so pretty. It was
Ow.
I assume not.
Great job, Naomi!
So you shouldn't take any more of that if you need some more nuts.
Let's go, Harley Marquez!
At this point in this season, I wouldn't be surprised if you guys started
Get it back, girl! Side out, let's go!
like 4 years old. You guys were in what?
Side out, girl! You got that, girl! Side out! Side out right now, girl! Let's go!
He's like, we're not practicing. We're playing the whole time.
I love this one. We went 41-0. What? Was that all? And you guys were like, we used to play life, electric ones, and watching them to me. Oh my god. I was so frustrated. I would get irritated every single time I saw you in the way. Oh my god, I was such a good.
Okay. Yeah.
You guys played that, but also there was a party. The element of actually did this. Very cool. We were in a league with his players. And Adam asked if I wanted to do together. And I said, "Yeah." You have to remember the 14 people here was organized in that. That's not harder than
You got a girl?
Doesn't have a lot of good stuff. Played for Crossfire. I think Izzy played for Crossfire. Lauren played for Upland.
Feels like it's the second set. There he has the first set.
You gotta finish those before the time up. Oh yeah, that's the team. Oh, it is 16.
Yeah, they're all rough.
Yeah, I heard there was like a rock triangle. They're in college. Like, Rowan in his house in Olivia with me. Olivia Bloom and Rowan Foster. Someone else was involved. I was in a scene, I was in class, and a lot of them were unhappy. Like, but we had that discussion. We have a little things that everyone should do like a they're all college kids. Angelo State.
Out! Out!
Because we have an exclusive brand deal with I don't think you guys understand how little our team costs because of our It's just Eddie Ray. Nike is the number one stuff. That's why they know. Not that we don't believe in you. Now we have to agree.